Hello, we are team 404 Name Not Found, and this is our demo of Clueless the Game, our semester-long project. Team members were Chris Quagliano, Eric Wen, Adam Stavely, Jamie Wang, and Colin Williams. Our version of Clueless the Game was built on the Node.js framework. And as you can see in the bottom left-hand corner, it was hosted in Amazon Web Services, the server spinning up as the demo starts. And once the server is running, players start to navigate to the home page and then either log in or sign up if this was their first time playing the game. Once logged in, they get brought to the game lobby where they can start a new game once the required number of players has entered. Once the game begins, they will get to select their character. As the characters are selected, they are grayed out. Game players can also view their hand when it is first dealt to them and begin chatting to each other in the chat. That chat box also lists all of the operations for the game from the server. As you can see, players start to move around the board. The suggest feature is grayed out if they are not in a room. Once a player is done their turn, they can click done or wait for the timer to run out and play will advance to the next player. They can view their hand at any time during the game. And the player's turn is identified by the square around the player icon at the top of the screen. A player has decided not to suggest and will end his turn there. Player in the top right just used the secret passage to move across to the conservatory and will now accuse. And as we see, his accusation was incorrect, and now he will be left out of the game. His turn will be skipped, and gameplay continues as normal. The next player is going to use the other secret passage to move from the study to the kitchen. And will then make a suggestion of Mr. Green with the knife. And as you can see, that prompted the player with the knife card to reveal it to the suggester, which you then see here. And now it is the next player's turn, and he is going to make an accusation of Miss White in the kitchen with the rope. And as we can see from the modal, that window that pops up, that was the correct accusation. That player is the winner, and the game is now over. Once the game is over, players can exit and back to the home page to start a new game.